Welcome to live streaming at the Guest Bungalow. Offering 126 in the live stream room was to best support stretching out the back, as one of my clients slept funny and was having some back pain and was hoping to alleviate that through the sequence that was offered. So it was an hour offering, but I'm just going to show you my favorite pose within the sequence. You'll get some bonus poses as I bring you out of triangle. So make your way to the top of your mat. Feet hip distance apart, roll your shoulders back and down, your head floats up like a balloon. Then you take a large step back with your right foot and your right toes go out to the side. Left toes face the top of your mat, right toes face the side of your mat. Hands to your hips, and you just notice how your hips are moving in this moment. To the right and to the left. And you allow your right hip to go up and your left hip to go down. You reach your arms out to the sides. Watch your left middle finger as it moves forward. Relax your hand anywhere along that straight left leg. And your right fingertips and gaze go up towards the sky. Inhaling and exhaling through the nose. Allow the right arm to reach down behind the back, even reaching for that left thigh. And you adjust your gaze to look over your left shoulder for a deep stretch in the face. Allow your right hand to go down your left leg, nose down towards your knee and your triangle. My favorite way to get out of triangle is to place your left knee over your left heel. Rest your left arm on your left leg and reach your right arm overhead, closing your eyes or gazing into the palm of your right hand. Peaceful warrior. Your right hand slides down your right leg, left fingertips up towards the sky, gazing into the palm of that left hand. Lower your left hand and you lift your right. Straighten your left leg. Pivot your left foot to be parallel to your right. Feel yourself being pulled in 5 different directions. And you bring your hands to prayer pose at your heart center. Thank you for joining me. I hope you've enjoyed this little sneak peek glimpse into what it would be like to live stream with me. Namaste.
Don't forget to stretch. To enjoy the complete 1-hour yoga class, make your way on over to theguestbungalow.com and enter the live stream room. It's now available on demand.